The materials you'll need for this are paint, mixing cups, flow trawl, fishing line, leaders, fishing weights, planter hooks, some plastic sheeting, and a drill or a hole punch. Most of these items you're already going to have. I got the hooks, leaders, weights, and fishing line from Walmart. With the fishing line, I got the braided one to stop the cup from spinning when I let it go. Step 1, you're going to mix the paint. I use Flow Acrylic from Artist Loft, mixed at a 3:1 flow trawl paint ratio. The key thing here is you want the paint really thin because the hole at the bottom of the cup is going to be very small. Ensure that you mix this paint very well. Step 2, screw the planter's hook right into the ceiling. Step 3 is measure and hang your fishing line. I tied a small loop at the end of my fishing line just to hang it off the hook. Step 4, prepare the cup. I drilled 3 holes in the top of the cup and 1 in the center at the bottom. The bit I used was a 5/64 to have a nice defined line on the canvas. Next, you tape the weights to the bottom of the cup. This helps the cup maintain some momentum longer and helps everything stay symmetrical. Step 5, secure the cup. Hang the cup with the leaders from the fishing line. Try to make sure that the cup is centered on the canvas at a dead hang. If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.